Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have products by STYLEVANA. Do you want to know what products I'm going to be using this month? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so my products to use for May just arrived. STYLEVANA does send me this for review, so thank you so much for sending me your amazing products to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So if you guys do not know, STYLEVANA is not a monthly subscription. They do have their Vana boxes that they put out from time to time, which is a great way to try out a lot of different products at a discounted rate, but they just put them out whenever they have new ones coming out. But other than that, you can pretty much go to their site and shop anything you would probably ever need or think or want of any of it for K-Beauty and J-Beauty. They have everything K-Beauty and J-Beauty related on their website. They have amazing deals every single day. They can change. They have daily deals. So always check to see what new and exciting things that they have. You can use my code, which is INF10 SheCrafty, and that will get you anywhere from 10 to 15% off your cart, depending on how much is accumulated. So at least 10 to 15% off anything in your cart if you use my code. So let's go ahead and dive in and let's see what products I'm going to be using for May. I'm actually so excited because with this, they normally just pick random products and they send them out. This time was the first time she actually asked if there was something in particular that I had my eye on that I wanted to show you guys. And I'm like, actually, there is one brand that I would love to show more from, because at one point, I'm just opening this up. At one point, they had sent me, I think one or two items from that brand, and then some little sample packs to try out. And I fell in love with it because it's all fruit themes. And if you guys know, I'm a fruit hoe. I definitely love me some fruits, especially if it smells good. So they went ahead and picked some products from that brand to show you guys. That brand has so many more products out there, let me tell you. But I have a few here to show you guys. And then there's a brand new product that is coming out that they wanted you guys to see as well. So this is the only one that is not the same brand. So I will start with this one first. I'm not quite sure how to say the name of it. I will show you right there. I do not want to butcher that one. I have used products from this brand. I remember the Wander, and I loved everything that I've used so far. So they just came out with a black rice eye cream. Ooh, I'm so excited to try this. And it even has collagen, and it's for reduced appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It says retinol alternative on the bottom. And this one here, let me get it out and show you guys. Oh, I'm so excited to try that. I love a good eye cream. And again, this brand, I've loved everything that I've tried thus far. So that is awesome. So we remove this. Let's get it started. And it just comes out like that, and that's awesome. That's all you pretty much really need is one little pump to put under your eyes and back up and around. So that is nice, and it feels really good too. I don't have any scent or anything like that, so that's good. So you'll have a really nice eye cream. I'm so excited to try that out. So there's the first item. That's a brand new product that they just launched. So again, they wanted you to see that they have this new brand new eye cream. So if you want to check that out, definitely the links to each individual item I will be showing you will be linked down below. So let's go ahead and start with this other brand. And again, I'm so bad at saying brand names, so I try to avoid it, but I think maybe it's Fruta because it's fruity. I'm not sure, but I have used the toner. I've used a few other things. And again, those little samples definitely sold me on this brand. So I'm so excited. So this is a blueberry hydrating intensive cream. Blueberry hydrating intensive cream. I'm telling you, I love me some fruit. So that's why this brand definitely was on the top of my radar, because it's all fruit themes. They're all different fruit things that you can get. So when you open it up, this is how it looks. It's down inside, and their packaging is simply adorable. Look at this. Look at how cute. So then you remove the top, and let's check it out. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. It's not too overpowering of a scent because it is, you know, going on your face, but it does have a really nice blueberry scent. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. Oh, that smells so good. And this feels thick. Ooh, she is thick. You know it's thick if you touch your finger and you don't get a whole lot of product on your finger. Like it stays in here, that you know it's a really good thick moisturizer. Oh, I'm so excited. I am so excited for this. I'm even more excited now that I stick my finger in there. And they also do have like these little hand lotions. They have several different scents in them as well. And I absolutely love them. They make my hands feel so soft and they smell amazing. So this one here is My Orchard Shea Butter Hand Cream. But again, they do come in several different scents. I really like the peach one too. So let me remove this so you can see it. My hands could use a little bit because I've been working in the garden all weekend. So my hands are really dry. So that's why I love me some hand lotion. Nice and thick. Yes, definitely nice and thick. And it smells just like, yeah, like shea butter. Like a nice little shea butter kind of scent to it. Nothing too strong, but it feels so good. Now we have is a blueberry hydrating honey lip balm, and look at the packaging, you guys. It looks almost just like this, but like in a little honey pot. This is so cute. And I love me a good moisturizer for my lips as well. I always have things on my nightstand, and I always put something on my lips before I go to bed every single night. And oh, it smells so good. And that definitely smells just like blueberry. It's nice and thick. Yeah, I am. It's nice and thick. But I love that package. It looks like a little honey pot. That looks so cute. It feels, and it smells so good. It's so scrumptious. Now we have is a sunscreen, which I always tell you guys, I love protecting my skin. Skin cancer runs in my family like there is no tomorrow. So that's why I definitely love to protect my skin. And I say protecting our skin is so important because of that reason. I feel like the sun rays are getting like stronger and stronger, so it's only getting worse. So whenever I go outside in my garden, I love to throw on some sunscreen, especially in my face and my arms, or else I will be a lobster by the end of the night. So this one is, it says that this is a 50 plus SPF PA++++ Ultra UV Shield. And like I say, I can't say it enough about sunscreen. I absolutely think it's an important thing to put on when we're in the sun. Let me see if I can smell it. Let me put it over here. If it has a scent. It does kind of, I think it does have like a nice slight scent to it, but I just can't wait to put that on. So next we have is a pomegranate moisturizing cream in mist. That's so interesting. But it says shake well before to mix the two phases. Spray 15 to 20 centimeters away from your face with eyes closed, and then pat on the face to be well absorbed. It's good to spray frequently when skin feels irritated or dry. Alrighty then. It says fine moisture particles containing 85% pomegranate extracts with components instead of water, maintaining long-lasting moisture for deep inside the skin, and dual application of water essence and cream layer forms elastic moisture barriers. And it says for all skin types, especially for dry skin. So let's get this one opened. So it looks like this, but you just shake it, pop your top, you have your spray. Ooh, it is a really nice thin mist, if you can see that. Did you see it? It is a really nice thin mist. So this would be amazing to put on, like especially like when I'm out of the shower, just to spray on my face. Even when I have like sun exposure, something like that would probably feel really, really good on my face. So there's that guy. And then the last product that I'm so excited to try is a citrus brightening serum. Same brand. So for this one, it says, take an appropriate amount of this product, use it twice a day. Very simple. Let's get this one out so we can see what it looks like. Ooh, very cute bottle. It's an all yellow glass bottle. And you have your top up here. So that's what it looks like. That's the consistency of it running down my hand. And yeah, it smells citrusy, like lemon and orange, like a citrus scent. It smells like a nice clean citrus scent. So that would be really nice to put on your face before you go to bed and have like a nice little soothing scent to it. Wow, so that is what they sent. Again, I'm so excited to try out more from this brand. I love that it's all like fruit themed and there's so many different types of fruit that goes with their line that they have. So if you want to check out this, or you want to check out this brand new eye product, or anything that STYLEVANA has to offer, link will be down below. INF10 SheCrafty will get you that 10 to 15% off to save you some money. That is awesome. So thank you so much, STYLEVANA, for sending me some more amazing products to test out and show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. You guys comment down below and let me know, have you heard of any of these products? Would you like to test these out? Are you a fruit hoe like me and you would definitely love to try this brand? Let me know all the details down below. Your positive interaction means the world and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, Crafty crew, out.